Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Heidi here from Chillin' with H, and I've been doing some painting around the house. Got some oil paint on my hands, as you can see here, and it's a little gross and messy, and I actually discovered an easy and cool way to get rid of it from your skin, and that is by using some baby oil. Just put a few drops on a tissue or soft rag and just give it a rub like I'm doing here, and all that oil paint is going to come off your skin so easily. It took me less than 10 minutes to clean up my fingers. I had some on my feet as well, and in no time it was all gone. And guess what? It's safer to use, it's gentler on your skin, and of course there is no toxic residue left on your skin. Like, in Trinidad we tend to use things like lacquer thinners or maybe kerosene or some other harsh chemical, which is quite dangerous. So instead of doing that, try some baby oil, or if you have coconut oil, your skin will thank you later.